Ram Narayan Ram. The natural law of nature has existed since the creation of the universe. Nature is eternal and timeless. When humans first appeared on earth, they were entirely dependent on and fulfilled by nature. There was no external influence or intervention in their lives. Nature itself met all their needs. However, over time, humans were drawn to external distractions and enticed by the allure of the man-made world. They were compelled to conform to man-made structures like caste, religion, constitutions, and ideas of good and bad. As a result, humanity today stands divided into numerous factions. Humans, who were all born equal, are now governed by man-made systems. All humans are born as equals, yet mankind has created countless religions, dividing people and isolating them from one another. Under the guise of religion, people today are bound by selfish motives. However, our great master, Mahaguru Balak Brahmachari Ji, emphasizes that the greatest religion is the sky, from which everything in this universe originates. And the greatest scripture is Ram Narayan Ram. Each page of this scripture is represented by the stars, planets, and celestial bodies spread across the universe. The bodies of the nearly 8 billion people on earth are formed from this sacred scripture, Ram Narayan Ram, which embodies the 5 elements: earth, water, air, fire, and space. These elements provide us with energy and awareness, guiding us to understand the true essence of life, how to live, and why we exist. When it comes to religion, it should be universal and equitable for all. Those who commercialize religion and treat it as a business must be identified and held accountable. Religion is not a commodity, it is the essence of existence. To truly understand religion, one must grasp it with the heart, mind, and body. Without this understanding, life is meaningless. Religion is not confined to idol worship or divided by caste and sects. It doesn't mean someone is Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, or Christian. Just as water cannot be divided, sunlight cannot be partitioned, and air cannot be separated, similarly, religion is indivisible. If humanity abandons its connection to true religion, the very existence of the human body will cease. Our body itself is our true religion, composed of the 5 fundamental elements. This intrinsic religion shapes our being and binds us to the essence of life. The earth is one, the sky is one, and therefore, humanity must also unite, leaving behind ownership and divisions. Caste-based and religious politics have fractured societies into countless parts. If this continues, the world will soon turn against itself. It is now time to rise above these distinctions and build a society that is egalitarian, secular, and progressive. This can only be achieved when we listen to our conscience, connect with nature, and regularly chant Ram Narayan Ram. Nature is the ultimate religion, and every individual must understand its significance. When a person connects with Ram Narayan Ram, their life naturally becomes stable and balanced. Through Ram Narayan Ram, people are taught to always maintain a positive outlook, perform good deeds, and help others whenever possible. The teachings of Ram Narayan Ram aim to eliminate the negativity in society and bring about a harmonious existence.